Rustic Christmas decor captures the essence of a cozy, heartwarming holiday with its natural textures and timeless charm. The beauty of this style lies in its simplicity, transforming everyday items into festive masterpieces. For those seeking elegance without overspending, rustic design offers countless opportunities for creativity and DIY. Imagine wooden accents, twinkling fairy lights, and the earthy tones of pinecones blending seamlessly with seasonal reds and greens. Whether you live in a sprawling farmhouse or a modern apartment, these ideas will help you create a rustic Christmas wonderland that is both affordable and inviting. Crafting your own ornaments is a delightful way to personalize your Christmas tree while staying budget-friendly. Use materials like cinnamon sticks, twigs, burlap, and dried orange slices to create rustic ornaments that exude festive warmth. For a touch of sparkle, add a bit of gold or silver paint to pinecones. These DIY projects not only save money but also add a story to your decorations, memories of family crafting sessions, and the joy of handmade art. Hang them on a fresh pine tree, and you'll have a Christmas centerpiece that radiates charm and authenticity. Your dining table is the heart of holiday gatherings, and a rustic centerpiece can make it unforgettable. Arrange a collection of mason jars filled with candles, surrounded by sprigs of rosemary, pine branches, and small red berries. Incorporate wooden slabs as bases to elevate the look. A few handcrafted napkin rings made from twine and holly leaves can add a finishing touch. This setup transforms your table into a rustic haven without the need for expensive decor items. It's all about bringing the outdoors in, creating a space where nature meets celebration. Even the smallest spaces can radiate rustic Christmas cheer. A cozy reading nook with a plaid blanket, a stack of firewood, and a lantern holding a flickering LED candle can make any corner magical. Add a rustic wreath made of twigs and pinecones to the wall, and you've created a mini retreat. These elements, sourced from nature or thrift shops, ensure that your home is festive without extravagant costs. Rustic decor proves that a little creativity can go a long way in creating a warm and inviting holiday atmosphere. Rustic Christmas decor isn't just a style, it's a celebration of simplicity, warmth, and creativity. By using natural and repurposed materials, you can craft a holiday atmosphere that feels both nostalgic and fresh. These ideas show that beauty doesn't have to come with a high price tag, only a little imagination and effort. As you deck your halls this season, remember that the true magic of Christmas lies in the memories you create and the love you share. Rustic decor helps bring those moments to life, making every home feel like a holiday haven.